Self high five.
There's a hole in my bucket, dear Liza, dear Liza. There's a hole in my bucket, dear.
But I don't know how to explain it as
Explaining
GST.
a saying that no one understands by you saying other sayings that also no one understands.
Oh,
It's
yeah, because I just said clipping the ticket, that doesn't make
You're like,
sense.
explain that one, so then if I understand that, I'll
Yeah.
understand the GST.
So
joke.
clipping the ticket means...
Hey, it's Shelby from Wollongong, Australia, and you're listening to Tony and Ryan.
Let's take a break from the podcast to talk about a more permanent break. If you want to take a permanent break from your current job and switch careers,
Fucking hell.
Yeah, I think you better back up. Fuckwit.
Greenwashing, and I quote, the facility can represent no more than 0.2%.
Does anyone need first aid? I've got first aid kit today.
I think everybody's right.
They're all right. Righto. Fuck.
Hold on.
Oh, don't do that. Bloody hell. Frick. Seriously, mate?
It was Thrawn, Kilore of Wanderana. The blue skin greeted him gravely as he crossed to Kilore Station.
Son of a...
Those glowing red eyes flicked back and forth across the bridge as he walked. Excellent, Thrawn said. How is the headset working? It's not quite as isolating as a true sensory deprivation headset would be, Kilore told him.
Yes, welcome ladies and gentlemen to Timelines Talks, the premium exclusive #1 show for all things...
Daddy don't cut him. Suicidal thoughts brought to me with no advisory. He was pitching dummies, selling beans.
There would be like, I remember my sister being like, oh, there's like an easier way if you like clasp it together
and spin
and then
around.
spin it and then just put your arms through.
Fuck off. Come on. What the fuck is on this?
It's a fucking keep clear, you fuckwit! Fucking idiot. Look, it's a fucking keep clear. You fucking mental? It's a keep clear.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Like in that Queen War fan, he wanted to overtake everyone now.
In a minibus. He's not young, but yeah, he's a bit of a nutter. Yeah, oh shit, Gregory. Hey, Jesus! Bloody hell! What the fuck are you doing? He didn't even see you. He didn't even look, and he just kept coming.
Hadouken!
What a fuckhead. What an absolute bastard.
Fucking idiot. Fucking dickhead.
Dude, really?
Oh! Oh, fuck! Wow!
But my friend told him the name of the town where we were staying. He took a real liking to my friend, and he laughed when we told him about our lengthy journey in.
It's Monday. Yours plus, yours plus. Chicken deluxe burger at Bangers. Tender Aussie chicken, crunchy coated, melted cheese, butter and ale.
Okay. That was clever.
Chicken and Bangers together and...
You're a fucking idiot.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks. Don't mind me.
Everything will be okay. Whoa! Whoa! Shit, a brick!
pathetic. You don't care.
I care,
You're
Chef.
way behind and you haven't got a fucking clue.
If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough.